This video will show you how to keep current and organized as you are researching and writing your law review or journal article. By the end of this video, you will know how to set up an alert to receive automatic notifications if new sources on your topic are released, use folders to keep organized and ensure your cited sources remain valid, good law, and re-access searches and documents you have previously viewed through history. Begin by going to Lexis+ AI and accessing the research system. Once you have selected your law review or journal article topic, you will want to set up an alert to monitor for any new precedent or legislation that might affect your article or for any new secondary sources that could preempt your article. Enter a search on your topic. You can use the same search you used previously when running a preemption check. For example, cannabis or marijuana within 25 words of employer, within 25 words of drug, within 5 words of screening or testing. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to set up an alert on this topic. Alerts will increase the efficiency of your research by automatically tracking newly added relevant materials. This is an effortless way to have relevant materials delivered directly to your email and/or stored online for quick retrieval and review. You control how often you wish to be updated by simply filling out the template. Then you can edit or delete your alerts by clicking on the Alerts bell at the top right of the page. You can set up an alert on a search or on a Shepherd's report by entering a citation, then clicking the bell icon at the top of the case or other document. As you find and retrieve information for your article, save and organize your research with folders on Lexis+. When you save cases to a folder, you can view any notes and highlights you have added to the documents, and the version of the documents in a folder will always be the most recent versions, including updated Shepherd signals, which allows you to quickly access your folders to ensure case validity. Keeping track of your research is easy on Lexis+ AI. History automatically stores your research from the last 90 days. History is sortable and searchable, and your search activity can be printed, downloaded, or emailed. You now know how to keep current and organized using alerts, folders, and history on Lexis+ AI. Please contact your Lexis representative to learn more.